Hey everybody, I'm Robert the Zombie Bargain Hunter, and today's the day we start the challenge. I am going to show you all the 5 items that you voted for last week, the 5 highest vote getters, and I'll show you, we'll make it a game. I'll show you from the lowest all the way to the highest vote getters, and make this video a little bit more interesting. If you are interested, I already linked all of them down below. They are actually active as we speak because I am launching this video as I am launching the auctions. So if you want to go down there and start bidding me up and help me win, go down there and click some of the links. And please go help the other YouTubers too. Not too much though. Me first, then them. Bid me up first, then them. So if you have a little bit extra money, you can go bid for them. But me first. All right. You hear me? Anyways, let's make this a little bit interesting. I will start with the lowest votes, and I'll show you the top vote getters. All right, let's start at the beginning. The first one, the lowest votes, unfortunately, was Space Jam. The sticker set got the lowest votes, unfortunately. I actually thought this was a great set. Pretty shocked you guys didn't vote this up. What am I gonna do? If I lose, it's on you. I'm blaming you, not me. The next one, though, that had 16 votes, by the way. The next lowest vote getter was the stickers. The Garbage Pails Kids stickers. These only got 19 votes. So yeah, super shocked at these. These are our original 1985 stickers. Thought you guys would want them up there for 99 cents, but obviously I was wrong. Like I said, these only got 19 votes. Maybe because of the other Garbage Pail Kids I threw in the same thing. So, I mean, they're not the same, but you know what I'm saying. All right, what's next? 19 votes, 20 votes. This guy right here, Kylo Ren Helmet. Didn't really know where this one was gonna go, so not shocked, not surprised. It only got 20 votes, so not terribly shocked. I mean, it's a great helmet. I will throw it up there. But, you guys didn't like it. What am I supposed to do? The next one with 25 votes only is, if I can find it. There he is. Look what you did to him. Look, he's got a sad face. It's all because of you. You did not vote for the poor bunny. Ew, it's got nastiness on it. That's gross. The rusted nasty bunny. You did not like the nasty bunny. Sorry, bunny. You don't get to put up for 99 cents. Oh man. Ugh. Old bunnies are nasty. Oh, what is next? Oh, next item that didn't get voted for was this awesome Dig Dug machine. Did you guys see how big this was? I even put it in the title of the other one. Yeah, this one is the last one. This only had 26 votes, so you guys obviously hate Dig Dug, so nothing I can do. Alright, on to what items I have already listed. They're down below. Make sure you go bid the snot out of them. Here we go, the Pokemon cards. We have the Elite Trainer box. Well, they're both Elite Trainer box. One's Shiny Fates, and one is Champion's Path. Kind of shocked on these, even though I know the popular Pokemon. This isn't the most expensive item I have. Actually, the second most expensive item was either the Garbage Pail Kids stickers or the Space Jam stickers, and you guys didn't like those. Sorry. Sorry, they weren't up to your standards. But anyways, this was the last item I found. I didn't know what else to put. So, this was my last choice, but this one got 36 votes. Oh. You guys better help me out and vote Vote that up. The next one was the VR set. The complete VR set. Remember when you're bidding on this one, the games on the front will not be there because these are DLCs. They are gone. The only games that will be in this slot are right here. Here, let me show them to you. When you start bidding, they're Rick and Morty, the VR demo disc, which meh. Farpoint, Wizards, Rush Blood, that is Until Dawn, Arkham VR, the Batman game, Persistence, Daracene, Killing Floor, double feature. That is actually 2 games. Let me show you that. That's 2 games in one. It's Killing Floor Incursion and Killing Floor 2. So, and the last one is Kabuto Burst Battle. Okay. And of course we have these nasty ball things. The PlayStation Move and the charger for the PlayStation Move. So, alright, that's all the set. But remember, those 5 games are on the box, are not included. Like I said, they are downloadable codes, and they are gone a long time ago. Alright, that had 36 votes. The next one that had 43 votes are the Garbage Pail Kid cards. So yeah, those had 43 votes. They are very nice. These are the matte versions, so if you're looking them up, make sure you look up matte. The glossy ones go for a slightly higher price, but most of them have nice corners, and they've really never been touched. They were in metal tin since the 90s, so I had a metal tin and it had all 15 sets in it, and they've been there since the 90s. Alright, what was the next one? The next one with 58 votes is the Nintendo Switch with the bonus Super Mario 3D All-Stars and the case. Just to let you know, this does not come with the game except for the one that I threw in there. That's why I threw in the extra game. Even though it's Animal Crossing, I don't know why they didn't put Animal Crossing in the special disc, and that just makes no sense. But it has the cool different colors, and it has these funny looking creatures right there. So yeah, just want to let you know before you start bidding on this, thinking that it has Animal Crossing. No, it does not have Animal Crossing in there. That is a Nintendo mistake. I don't know why they did not put Animal Crossing in there, but throwing in this nice carrying case and 3D All-Stars. So that is already listed on eBay, so go bid it up. And last but not least is the GoPro Hero Black 3.0 megapixels. I should have known this was going to be number 1 and number 2. I got a great deal on it, so I can't complain, and I'm sure it's going to go way higher than what I paid for it. But yeah, this is number 1. This one got 59 votes, so should have figured that out with all the eBay guys. Anyways, that is it for today. Like I said, just go down there. All my listings are live right now, and go visit everybody else's, but bid mine up higher than the others. Don't forget, I'm trying to win here. If I lose, I blame it on you, so it's okay either way. Anyways, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and go down there and bid. Don't fiddle fart around. Get all your listings up. Take care. See you next video. Bye.